Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So today I'm going to talk about, do you have a checklist that is exactly the same no matter what you're cleaning? So let's say you're going to a medical office. Shouldn't it be specific? Your quality control inspection should be specific for that particular medical office. If you're going to a dental office, if you're going to a daycare. So in other words, your QA should not look the same every single industry you're cleaning. You want to make sure you customize and specialize. That way, your customers feel as if you're paying them close attention. So this is what I want you to do right now. Think about how many different industries that you're actually cleaning. Hopefully there's no more than about 3 or 4. I always say, once you reach 10K consistently, then you move on to something else. Your challenge and your threshold should be 10K. Once you're reaching 10K in post-construction, then start doing dental. Try your best to really stay focused on 1, no more than 2, and become an expert in those 2 areas. Now, I want you to take your time and think about what you're doing differently when you're doing your QA, your quality control inspection in these various areas. Your actual list should not look the same. Put that together and put it into, implement it right away. Don't just do it and hold on to it. Try to make sure you implement it this week moving forward. So if you're doing dental offices, make sure that that checklist is specific what you're doing as far as the quality control. And it should look similar to what you promise your customer you're going to deliver. So if you promise them you're going to do weekly dusting, then your quality control inspection should include weekly dusting. That is how simple it is. What you've promised, you should make sure that you're delivering. So once again, this is Mrs. M. I'd love to see you at our masterclass, our free masterclass on what you need to do to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! Make sure you click the link to join. We go over everything you need to do to get actual, live, breathing, wanting your business customers within 30 days. We nail down and really fine tune what you need to do. So if you're interested, then it's going to be this Thursday for our commercial. Hold on for a second and I will actually give you the information for our government free masterclass. But this Thursday at 12 noon, you will actually be able to learn everything you need to do step by step to get those cleaning customers right now, today. So don't delay. Make sure you click the link. I look forward to seeing you there. Bring pen and paper, energy, love, energy, and questions. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.